We should be back live. My voice is a little bit better, but I'm not gonna say much. Just gonna keep it super easy, straightforward. That's how trading is. So we know already the first 15 minutes. Let me just remove some of these lines here to keep it super simple. But we have the first 15-minute bar here. No progress, it's not really knowing where it should go. And we have lows of 900, so if it really breaks above 950, I can see it close above 950 and it actually starts rallying, I might consider doing a long position. So how can I just say that is because right now we are on the 50-minute bar just closing at this area. So if it could push back and that candle in the next 8 minutes can close above and start rallying, then I know we could target 100. Then I have 120 points, super safe. How? Because I know that people is gonna buy it up to at least 24,000, get stopped out, and then they're gonna push it back to highs if Nasdaq continues to hold. So how can I replicate? How can I do it over and over again and know that this is the same system I'm using tomorrow, next week, and so on? So I'm very good at looking at the candle and say, okay, this is just noise. This is just noise, and they don't know where it should go. So if it breaks above here and I see 15 points confirmation and it closes above here and it takes this one out, then I know it's gonna go back. But if it closed below 900, again, round number, short. So I don't want to immediately go in here. I could get a stop loss fake out. So I probably want to see it's gonna break above and close above this area to take these candles for the first pre-market. This is the pre-market session, as you could see, 8 in the morning, 8:30, 8:45. So none of these candles here. This candle closed below 24,000. These candles did not manage to close above, but also closed below 24,000. Round numbers again. And then I'm like, I'm not buying it here and hoping for something when there is selling pressure, as you could see. So I wanted to close above 24,000 today. I can let you know. So we have selling pressure, all candles close below. So no progress on the upside. If we close below, short orb. And then we have also, as you can see, I don't know if you see me, or I think, yeah, you see the screen. But if it closes above 66 and it rallies to 24,000 and the candle managed to close above, this is not closing 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 below, this is closing below 24,000, right? And also here, but if it manages to close above and then a new candle comes in, I go long. Same over here. If it closed below 900, then you could say, okay, if it closed below 900 and it takes 15 points down, then it's a short. First 15 minutes, there's no 100 points fluctuation. I know if you look from highs at the pre-market at 7:30 to now, then there's more than 100 points, but I only work with the market opening. So short below. So it's very important. I mean, making sure you can actually see my screen here. Just updated you in the Discord so you have everything in place. But it's very important that you don't take a short now, but you wait for it to 4 minutes for it to actually close below, and then a new candle comes in. This candle have to close not below here, but 15 below. So 85, that candle you're looking at here, that needs to close below 85. Close below 85, and then a new candle comes in and sell off or bounce back, and then I go for a short. So this is the second candle I always look at. Between 9:15 and 9:30, that's the candle I normally work at. So if that candle closed below, 15 points below, and then the next candle goes up, I take a short. And I target. I'll also upload all my trades. I took 3 trades with you this week, I think. 1 in a loss and 2 in good profit. I'm doing very light positions and building up this new account that I opened with you, so we're in the same boat. So I'm gonna build this up to $1 million. It's currently at like 10K. I think it's like 4% up this week. So I made 4% this week. Also trading on my other live accounts, of course. I could also upload the stats there. Let's see here, 3 more minutes. Let's see if it's gonna close below. Nasdaq also confirming. I think we're gonna have the same setup as yesterday. Same setup as yesterday. Or we could short this one at 923. But we need to wait for it to close below 900 lows and sell off and close at 85 or below. If the candle close here and the new candle coming in and push up, I'm not doing anything. I'm waiting for it to either break above 24,000 and close above that later during the day, or I look for it to close below. Okay, so I'm not gonna do more. I have an important appointment, but I will let you know in the Discord next 5-10 minutes if I take a trade. But this candle we're looking at, second candle, this one here, if that closed below, I will take a short no matter what. If we get a third or fourth candle that closing above within 10 a.m., so within 30 minutes, I can see the 15-minute candle number 3, 4 closing above, I go for long. But I think it's a short day today. So it doesn't matter for me if it's 11, 12, 1 a.m., 1 p.m. It's just important that one of the 15-minute candles is gonna close below, and then I go in. If it's just doing nothing, then I'm not doing anything. So I have to head out now, but I'll let you know in the Discord exactly my setups. I just want to tune in quick here to show you what I'm gonna do, but only shorting below or go long above not if we go above, but if the candle, 15-minute candle later on or the next 30 minutes is closing above. And then I go in and I risk 40, 120, target 1.5%, and that's it. So thank you. I'll see you later. Thank you.